Hi children, today I'm going to tell you a story of letter B. Do you know what B sounds? B sounds B. Come on, repeat with me. B sounds B. Now, shall we start the story? Okay, it was a lovely morning. The sky was blue and flowers were blooming everywhere. But Bibo, the butterfly, was flying in the garden. But Ben also came to the garden with his ball and bat. He wanted to play with Bibo. In one corner of the garden, Bozo, the bear, was reading a book and laughing aloud. A tree with a beehive was nearby. Suddenly, Bozo heard a buzzing sound. He looked up and saw a beehive on a tree. One bee looked very sad. It was the bumblebee. But Bozo asked, "Why are you sad?" The bee replied, "I want to have some fun." But Bozo got an idea. He said, "Let's all go for fishing in a boat." So off they all went happily. Let's do the recap. Butterfly, B blue sky, B blooming flower, B ball, B Bozo the bear, B Ben, B beehive, B book, B boat, B bee, B bat.